Yeah, you can tie the first this bolt with a hand tight. Second, you can tie this bolt. It's right there. This is the pattern you need to follow it. Number 3 is this bolt. Number 4 is this bolt. Start with the hand tight. Number 5 is this bolt. Number 6 is this bolt. Number 7 is this bolt. Number 8 is this bolt. The last one. Number 9, the last from the thermostat side. Number 10 is the last this bolt. Again with the hand tied. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4 is this one. Number 5 is this one. Number 6 is this bolt right here. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Then you can tie the same pattern with a ratchet. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Don't tie too much because we need to do the torque. Number 5 is this bolt. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Again, tight from the bolt number 1 because it's gonna lose when we tight with the pattern. It's gonna lose from the starting bolts. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Then 10. Then now we're gonna do the retorque. That's a 40 newton meter, the 40. starting from number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, again we're gonna tie the 3 times, retorque it because it's gonna do the same thing. Number 1, number 2, number 3 gonna be loose, you can see. Yeah, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, 9, and 10. Again, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. Now it's time to do the angle, you know, the degree type. We're gonna do the 90-degree turn each and every bolt. Yeah, that's it. After 90-degree turn, then your head is full tight. Yep. Thanks for the watching. Subscribe my channel. This is my first video. Thanks.